Hey guys, this is Kyle Freeman here, back with another review. It's gonna be super hip and uptight. Wait, that came out wrong. Anyways, this video goes out to a special viewer, my old friend Tyler Needham. And, well, you see, he comes up with a show called Monster Quest, and his star monster is a penguin named Chili. He got an inspiration from a Pokemon named Piplup. And, well, I've been helping him with his show for quite some time now. I've been helped him come up with some new ideas. I came up with Volbeetle, Sparrow, the monster hybrids. Let's see, what else? Oh yeah, Diablosaurus and Angelsaurus. And I even helped him with the names of all the characters. Well, some of them at least. Like Infernicide and Axavius. Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how to draw Piplup, the penguin Pokemon, and it's a water type. He was Dawn's Pokemon back in the Sinnoh region, and he refused to evolve because he preferred to stay Piplup. And that was a stupid choice, because I liked him better when he was going to evolve into Empoleon soon in the line. Anyways, as you can see, I'm drawing him now. Anyway, I hope you guys are ready for another starter Pokemon drawing expedition. Tyler, this one's for you. Okay, so I started off with the eye, as always. Next you start with the beak, then his crest thing. Well, that's half of his head done. Make sure to always start with the eye, folks. Don't forget it. Next up, you just draw his other eye here. Did I do that right? Does Piplup really have a chin? I don't know for sure. Anyways, next thing you do, you just draw his other eye. Here's his scarf. At least I think it's a scarf. Next step up you do, you just draw his flipper here. His big flipper. And the other flipper here. Next thing you do, you just draw his wing thing. Now, you see, the hardest thing is drawing the feet. So be careful. You just draw this part here and this part here. Next thing you do is draw his leg here. And here you go. I just draw this part down here. And finally, you just draw his backside jacket. Oh, wait, sorry, my bad. That just came out wrong. And there we go. There we go. Basically, that's how it's done. And, hold on a sec. There. Good as new. And that's how you draw Piplup, everybody. Tyler, I hope to see you again soon.